Hello everyone, this is Ricky and I would like to share a simple tutorial on how to use the following functions, the XLOOKUP, the VLOOKUP, and the index match. First, I would like to share with you the XLOOKUP function using this horizontal table. So let's go. So as you see on the screen, we have data, target data to use to provide value for the following record, the A, B, C, and C2. So let's go. So first, we put the equal sign to create function. Then we are using this word, which up. Uh, function in the value of value is this one. Uh, this gamma, and then the table array is the horizontal table. Then gamma, then the row index number is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the A is located in row 2, so we will use row 2, then gamma, and then select row as approximate match. So, and that's all. So we have 1P as the value of A. So for B, let's copy this the formula from A to C. So and change the value, the row index to 3 and 4, just like the one. Because this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So C is 4, is 1. So that's why we have 750. So thank you everyone. And if you want to for me to share this VLOOKUP and the index match for the vertical table and the horizontal table, please let me know. Just comment below. Thank you.